Hey folks, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you a lesser known feature of Photoshop, that is step and repeat. So let's dig into Photoshop and understand what it actually is. So like suppose I have an open canvas with myself and I want to make a pattern, a striped white pattern. So I'll simply take a shape and I'll make a white shape. Yeah, that looks perfect. And so what we used to do is we manually used to click Alt and drag this all the way down, and then again you'll click on Alt, and basically Alt basically duplicates the layer. You duplicate the layer and shift in the direction you want. So that is a manual way, and it's not very accurate because there are chances that the distance between the shapes are slightly different because you are manually doing it. So I'll tell you a better way, which is called step and repeat. So you have to make a shape and then you have to click Ctrl Alt T, so Command Option T in Mac, and you have to simply drag the shape into the direction in which you want the pattern to get repeated. So I want this to be a striped layer, so I'll just go it above here. Yeah, this looks fine. Now we'll press enter. Now the next step is you have to click Ctrl Alt Shift T, and my shape gets repeated in the same dimension with the same distance. And if I now want to keep the pattern repeating, so I'll click Ctrl Alt Shift T, T. So it basically got repeated, and it's a very uniform way, and manually there are chances of error. So this is an inbuilt feature in Photoshop that lower people are aware of. So yeah, I just wanted to share this in video. So I hope this is helpful, and I hope you like the video. And please like the video if you like the video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. So thank you for watching.